So I've now got sprites which turn left and right, but to make my game a bit more interesting, I've added a bit of extra code so that when my sprites collide, the one I'm chasing, my second player, disappears and moves to a random position on the board. It was a bit tricky this, I'm not going to lie, because every time I did it, it didn't work out exactly right, because for them to line up, the code had to be exactly right, so I've had to put in a bit of a give or take in here. Let me show you how I've done it. So, I've looked at the difference between the X value of player 1 and the X value of player 2. And if that is less than 2, then I'm on to a winner. But I can't just check the X, I have to check the Y value as well. So I found the difference between the X value is less than 2 and the Y value is less than 2. If both of those are within 2, then I know I'm pretty much touching my player. So take a look at that code. If ABS, that means the absolute value of player X minus player Y, is less than or equal to 2, and the absolute value of player Y versus player 2Y is less than or equal to 2, then I know they're touching. That's some quite complex code, so I'm going to provide that to you if you're finding that tricky. What's important is what happens. So in mine, player 2 is going to move. So the player 2X is going to move to a random position, and player 2Y is going to move to a random position. See if you can get your player to move. Maybe not to a random position, maybe you also want to go back to the start for yours. Maybe you're also going to go back to 0, 0. Let's have a go.